So number 9 is our last problem, and it's another story problem. It says, while on vacation, you decide to buy some gifts. You buy t-shirts and playing cards. And the shirts cost $6 each, and the cards cost $3 each. So we have a couple of different things we need to do. First of all, we have our information. Second, though, we need to answer our question. So A says, write the equation that describes the situation if you have $30 to spend. So our total cost has to equal however much we're spending on shirts. So shirts times the price plus cards times their price. This equation is going to be in standard form. So our total cost, whatever that is, in this case is $30, equals the number of shirts. So we have, so it's going to be, shirts are going to be our X, and cards are going to be our Y. So the number of shirts times their price. So we have $6 times X plus $3 times Y. And that is our equation for A. For B, it wants us to actually find out how many cards you can buy if you buy 3 shirts. So let's plug that in. 30 equals 6 times 3 shirts plus 3 times the number of cards. We're trying to find that out. So 30 equals 18 plus 3y minus 18 from both sides. That leaves us 12 equals 3y. Divide by 3. We know y, or the number of cards, equals 4. And the last part on this is to graph. So when it says use an L graph, that means literally make your graph like an L. I'm going to fix that though so I can actually write underneath it. What we're going to do for our graph is first make some marks here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is for shirts. Make sure to mark your X and Y. And since I don't have as much room on that side, I'm just going to mark it by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 for our cards. What we know already is our equation over here that says 30 equals 6x plus 3y. What we need to find out is what our slope and intercept is. So there's a lot of ways you can do this for graphing. You can do it in point slope form if you want to do it that way. You can do it in slope intercept form. The key thing here is that for me, I'm going to do it in slope intercept form because I think that's the easiest. I'm going to do it right up here. It's going to be a little bit small. So I have 30 equals 6x plus 3y. I need to get y by itself. So minus 6x. So I have negative 6x plus 30 equals 3y divided by 3 on all the things. So then I have negative 2x plus 10 equals y. So this is a little bit backwards than normal. So let me flip it around. We know our line's going to be negative. We know our intercept, or our y-intercept, is at 10. So let's plot that here. So we know we have a point here. Our slope is negative 2 over 1. So we have down 2 to 8 and over 1. Down 2 to 6 over 1. Down 2 to 4 over 1. Or to 3, I'm sorry. And if we keep going, you're going to notice that you cross over here at 4 and 3, which is what we solved just a minute ago, where we had 4 cards and 3 shirts. So if you continue that pattern, it just goes all the way through to here, and we can graph a line. It'll look a lot better on your paper if you use graph paper. So that's that. Those are your answers and explanations. Hopefully that helps clarify some questions you have.